Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and tapping directions. Enter a precise address, business name, or coordinates. Choose the car icon so routing uses driving preferences. Once done, pick a route from the list. The fastest is highlighted, but check alternatives for tolls or traffic. Make sure to connect audio via Bluetooth or USB so voice guidance plays through the car. You now press Start to begin navigation. Keep your phone mounted and glance, don't stare. You refine the route by tapping route options and selecting avoidances like tolls or highways, which changes travel time and distance. Then, add stops for fuel, food, or EV charging using Add Stop. Maps preserves order unless you reorder manually. While on the map, review live traffic layers and incident icons to understand delays. This matters for arrival time estimates. Make sure to tap the chosen route and confirm start, so you complete the trip by tapping End when you arrive. Google Maps may offer to save the route or mark the place. If voice directions don't play, check your phone volume, Bluetooth or USB connection, and app microphone/speaker permissions, then relaunch navigation. When you miss a turn, Maps reroutes automatically, but use lane guidance and zoom in to see upcoming merges. If maps are off, toggle Wi-Fi, cellular data, or restart the app to force fresh routing data, and then resume navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.